This is Kelly, and I'm here today to bring you another little tip. I don't know about you, but at least several times a week, when I meet a new student, I will say, "Hello, my name is Kelly," and they'll tell me their name, and I'll say, "How are you?" And I hear, "I am 4. How are you?" 4. How old are you? And happy. Those two sentences or questions sound really, really similar in English, especially for a brand new student. So I'm here today to show you my little trick for how I help with that. And it comes in the form of a paddleboard. I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree, and it has been indispensable. I think I have like 4 or 5 of them. Here's what I do. On one side of the board, I write, "How are you?" And I draw 3 faces. How are you? Happy? Sad? Angry? And we work through those, and I have the students show me each of those. So I'll say, "How are you?" And then they will say, "I am happy." Good. How old are you? With a little birthday cake. And as I say it, how old are you? I'm 5 or I'm 6. And then we'll count that together. Sometimes I'll even add extra candles on there and we'll blow it out together. So if you're having trouble getting your student to tell you how old they are or how they are, maybe consider using this little trick. Thanks so much. Again, I am Teacher Kelly, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.